There's a place on Earth where sunlight has never touched, a world buried beneath kilometers of water, where pressure can crush steel, where cold never fades, and where silence feels absolute. Down here, the rules that shape life on land no longer apply. Breathing becomes a challenge, movement becomes expensive, survival feels impossible. And yet, something lives here. Not just bacteria, not just drifting shadows. Fish, creatures with bodies that seem broken, faces that look unfinished, eyes that grow too large, or vanish completely. By every rule we understand, they shouldn't exist, but they do. And the deeper we go, the stranger that truth becomes. Descent 1, the zone of disappearing light. As we descend below the surface, light begins to die. At first, colors fade. Red disappears first, then orange, yellow, green, until only blue remains. By about 1,000 meters down, even blue is gone. This region is known as the midnight zone, that a place of permanent darkness. For most animals, sight is everything that SO in a world with no light. Eyes should be useless. But deep-sea fish didn't abandon vision. They exaggerated it. Some species develop eyes so large they seem impossible for their skulls. Others turn their eyes into light detectors, capable of sensing the faintest glow from miles away. And then there are those that go the opposite direction. Fish with no eyes at all. They trade vision for vibration, smell, and pressure sensing, feeling the world instead of seeing it. Scientists still don't know how these animals decide which path to take. Why do some species invest everything in massive eyes, while others erase them entirely? This raises a larger question. If I can disappear, what other essential traits can life let go of? Descent 2, pressure that should crush life. As we sink deeper, another force takes over. Pressure. Every 10 meters adds another atmosphere, the weight of the air we breathe at sea level. At 4,000 meters, pressure exceeds 400 times what we experience on land. Under this force, human bones would collapse, air pockets would vanish, cells would rupture. Life should be impossible here. Yet deep-sea fish swim calmly, as if the ocean isn't trying to destroy them. Their secret is not strength, it's surrender. Their bodies contain no rigid spaces, and no air-filled lungs and no hollow bones. Instead, they're soft, flexible, almost unfinished. Their proteins are shaped differently, designed to function under crushing force. Their cell membranes stay fluid, even under pressure that would freeze other organisms from the inside. But scientists still don't fully understand how these proteins evolved so precisely. What we discovered only deepens a mystery, because pressure doesn't just crush bodies, it reshapes evolution itself. Descent 3, a world without food. Down here, food is not hunted, it's waiting for me. No plants grow in darkness. No sunlight means no photosynthesis. And no food chain from the bottom up. Most meals arrive as falling debris, dead plankton, fish remains, organic dust drifting down like snow. This is called marine snow, and it's painfully scarce. So, deep-sea fish adapted in ways that feel wrong. Some develop mouths so large they can swallow prey bigger than themselves. Others grow stomachs that stretch endlessly, just in case food arrives once a month or once a year. Many stop wasting energy entirely. They move slowly, breathe slowly, reproduce rarely. Life here isn't about speed or strength. It's about patience. But this creates a terrifying imbalance. If food is so rare, why are there predators at all? Scientists still don't know how these ecosystems remain stable for millions of years, balanced on such thin margins of survival. Descent 4, living light in eternal darkness. Then, something unexpected appears. Light. In a place where the sun never reaches, deep-sea fish make their own. Bioluminescence. Tiny chemical reactions inside their bodies produce cold, glowing light, not for beauty, but for survival. Some use it to attract prey, others to communicate. Some even use light to erase their own shadows, becoming invisible from below. The anglerfish takes this to an extreme. A living lantern grows from its head, luring victims close enough to be swallowed whole. What's more disturbing is how little we understand these signals. Scientists still don't know what many of these light patterns mean, whether they're warnings, mating calls, or something else entirely. In the deep sea, light has become a language we can't yet translate. Descent 5, bodies that feel alien. At the deepest levels, forms begin to blur. Fish lose scales. Bones thin or vanish. Muscles weaken. Some species appear gelatinous, barely holding their shape. Others grow asymmetrical faces, twisted jaws, or teeth too large for their skulls. These aren't monsters. They are solutions. When energy is scarce and pressure is absolute, evolution stops caring about beauty. It only cares about survival. And still, some of these adaptations make no sense. Certain deep-sea fish glow without clear purpose. Others reproduce in ways we've only witnessed once, by accident. Entire species are known from a single specimen. This raises the most unsettling question of all. How many deep-sea fish exist that humans have never seen? Ending the edge of knowledge. We've explored more of the moon than the deep ocean. Less than 5% of Earth's depths have been mapped. Less than that has been observed. Down there, evolution didn't follow our rules. IT wrote its own. Deep-sea fish shouldn't exist, not by surface logic, not by comfort, not by familiarity. But life doesn't care what feels possible to us. It adapts. IT waits. IT survives. And somewhere far below the reach of light, creatures are living entire lives, never knowing we exist at all. The deeper we look, the more we realize this planet is still mostly unknown, and we are only visitors at the very top.